Keyboard flip. This is a Kemove Snowfox DK61. Let's check this thing out. For a plastic keyboard, this feels pretty sturdy. The stock keycaps are good, they're double-shot PPT. Uh-oh, did they send me one with blue switches? That's not a problem because this keyboard is 5-pin hot swap. Okay, the stabs definitely aren't perfect, but they're surprisingly okay out of the box. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is a Bluetooth keyboard, although on Bluetooth you do lose N-key rollover. My biggest complaint was how clunky their software was to use.